Is Kajabi worth it if you're just getting started? In this video, you're about to discover what holds new business owners back from seeing success quickly, 3 advantages that Kajabi provides, and 1 concern that gives a lot of people anxiety with using Kajabi. And be sure to watch until the end of this video, because in a moment, I'll answer the question, what does Kajabi cost once you add up all the hidden fees? I'm Dex Williams, and I've been helping others market and sell their knowledge online since 2007. This has been done through a variety of different platforms and services, but what I found was that Kajabi was an absolute game changer, which is why I became a founding member of the platform back in 2015. Since then, I have noticed that there are several challenges when people are getting started that can cause them to feel overwhelmed, confusion, and lack of time and energy, which all holds them back as aspiring entrepreneurs. So, as it relates to the question, is Kajabi worth it for brand new businesses? There's a couple things that you need to keep in mind. One is that Kajabi helps with confidence. Not only do they help provide you with professional templates and designs, they also have a platform built around educating you and training you to get the best results. They also help with speed of implementation. Again, with those templates and those pre-done designs and pipelines, you essentially have a plug-and-play platform that you can easily use to take whatever idea you have and put it into action as soon as possible. And finally, they help with systems for growth. So not only are you able to generate leads, but you're also able to turn those leads into paying customers and turn those paying customers into repeat buyers who are excited and passionate about your business and your brand. So this means that you can get started building your business with Kajabi and see results much faster. It also means that there's no hidden fees. Why? Because everything that you see on the pricing page for Kajabi for each plan is exactly what you are getting. There's no overages, there's no hidden costs for your content, your bandwidth, your membership. Whatever you have is all there, plain and simple. And that gives a lot of peace of mind. No more anxiety, no more stress because you got caught off guard by a bill that you weren't expecting. So with that said, which Kajabi advantage is most helpful to you? Comment below. I'm actually curious. And if you want more videos featuring Kajabi updates and strategies, make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button, and don't forget that notification bell so you get notified about my upcoming videos. As well, if you want to know what does Kajabi do for entrepreneurs and how does Kajabi work in 2022, make sure to watch this video right now.